How to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. So if you want to turn off your birthday notifications on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After that, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with your profile, scroll down, go with edit public details, scroll down again, go with edit your about info, and then scroll down and you'll find your birthday right here. You need to go with the edit option, which is on the right side, or the pencil shaped icon, and here you will have only me on the right side. So you just need simply go and select only me. If you've selected public before, then you just need simply select only me, and once you've done to both of that options, you can go with save, and then you can go back, and now you need to go with your settings. So go with settings, which is on the top right. From your settings, tap on profile settings and then go with notification settings. Here you need to scroll down and then find birthdays, and here you need to turn off this option. Tap on turn off, and that's it. That's how you can turn off your birthday notifications on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.